Just scream into it and go, ba-bum. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
I have that shit over my face.
So it's after Nissan Fest, and I got this exhaust. Here you go, my model. Thank you, Andrew.
Wow.
So this is a 5 Ziggin Super Lap. It's a straight pipe basically. I already know this is gonna be loud. You still have a decibel meter?
Oh, no, I don't. I didn't. I had a carbon monoxide meter.
Oh.
You can get it at your nearest Lowe's.
So we're gonna get a before sound clip, and this is my HKS Super Turbo exhaust.
Wow.
It's straight all the way through, 3-inch all the way, 5-inch tip, or, you know, whatever.
It has a one big muffler, right? That's it.
Yeah, it's the one big muffler.
Mark where you're standing.
Am I clear? Am I clear for reps? Yeah. Alright. You might not want to stand there.
It'll be okay.
Is that pretty loud?
Yeah, it was pretty loud.
Alright.
It didn't bother me though. So it was good. It's okay.
Because it was music to your ears.
Sounds real good.
Alright, there's a before clip.
Sick.
How's it feel to work on the Skyline?
First time.
It's okay. It's nothing special.
You want me to higher?
I'll go higher. Cool. I got some weird sizes on there. It's a 16 millimeter.
16?
It's out.
I feel like this is gonna be a lot louder.
Yeah. Should I just start it now?
No.
Yeah. No. I guess I'm gonna put this front part on first, and then this on afterwards. Should make it a little easier to install. I don't have a hanger for this because that's broken. So it's still gonna be doing the wave. I should just buy that bracket already. It's like $40 on eBay.
So is that a resonator or a muffler?
I don't know.
No, on your old one.
Oh,
I think it's a resonator.
Yeah. Looks like a tiny muffler.
That's basically what it is.
Yeah.
Resonator is a small muffler.
Yeah. Basically.
Damn fresh.
What are those?
What are those? Does this have an is that a 3-position bushing? Like if you got it closer to your bumper, it'd probably look.
Oh, no, it's just like that.
No.
Whatever.
Instead of like, you know, being the person that goes to the track with more wheels, you know, and like parts
I
and
just have
tools.
a spare car.
He just has a spare car. And that means, oh shit, the tire went off. Oh, it's fine. I got another car.
Pretty sure it's gonna be hella loud.
I think it's gonna be hell loud.
Oh shit, he's got to start it in here.
Yes. Oh, you can roll it or.
So, the exhaust is on. It looks a lot smaller compared to this thing, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna be way louder. What do you guys think?
1000% yes. Louder.
Over 9,000.
Over 9,000? Oh man. I was gonna say 8,999.
Oh my god!
Alright, here it goes.
You wanna sit here?
It's louder, but it's like I think it still sounds like around the same.
What do you think? I'm not 100% sure on it yet.
I don't think they can hear you, bro.
I'll drive it tomorrow, see how I like it. But right now it's pretty loud. It's not as loud as I thought it would be.
Yeah, I actually think that this one might be even quieter. It's not that bad. Like I don't think it would get annoying driving it daily until you really get on it. And even when you do, it's still pretty good.
Like this is cruising and it's still pretty quiet.
Yeah,
Like you and me, we can talk to each other right now and still hear each other.
like perfectly fine too.
Oh, yeah, it's not too bad. Just, I probably shouldn't let my car warm up so long in the morning.
No.
Because that was loud.
Yeah, when you first started up.
Yeah, idle was loud. But driving around is not so bad. I didn't know they were like telling me to go.
They're like, grab it. Ooh. Oh shit.
So what do you think?
I like it. I can't really tell without having a side-by-side comparison with the two exhausts, but I think it sounds really good. It's not too loud inside the cabin. I can't say so much for being outside, or like outside noise, but
Oh, we already know outside is loud.
yeah, outside is definitely loud. But I mean, it's not too
Yeah.
bad for the passengers.
Yeah. Yeah, so on the outside it's pretty loud, but inside it's not annoying, I guess you could say. But that's not the sound that I'm chasing yet. That's just one piece of the puzzle. The next piece is this exhaust manifold right here. So this is a GTSR manifold, and that's what's gonna give me the high-pitched sound that you hear in like race cars and stuff. And with that exhaust manifold, I have to upgrade the turbo as well. So some kind of Garrett, I don't know. But yeah, I guess that's it for today. This exhaust is gonna go in a black car. Danelle's enjoying the clips that he took.
I am. I have a slow-mo one of you.
Oh, nice. I gotta see that later.
I've already seen it 7 times.
But yeah, that's gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching. Any last words? Any last words?
I don't know. Threaten me. Are you gonna punch me today?
What is that?
Huh?